I don't vlog. I barely make videos with my face showing. But I have the Big Gun exhaust for the Crf110. I'm gonna do a quick installation video. You need a 8mm socket, also a 13, and a screwdriver. So I'm gonna put the 50mm on my camera and get y'all all set up for the unboxing. Let's get it. So, come on. I suck at unboxing stuff. Okay. Sent me a little bit of decals. I like decals. Alright, got the hair pipe. And that should be it. Alright, I got everything open. That's super clean. Yo!
Well, I think I finally got it.
Got what? And we're whoa! Hey! I'm recording a video, bro. You can't. Wait. I'm gonna do a sound clip first. So now I'm gonna get that pipe off, put a new pipe on, and yeah, let's watch me work. I have everything installed. The Evo by Big Gun. Crank it up, Tristan. Press the button. Keep going. Keep going. Do it again. Do it again. Yes, sir. You like it?
Yeah.
All right.